Hey everyone, welcome back to Pinoy Foodie. Today, we've got a delicious and refreshing recipe for you. A cucumber salad with tomato and onion. But before we jump into the kitchen, make sure you're subscribed to our channel and have that notification bell ringing, so you never miss out on our tasty recipes. Now, let's check out the ingredients. We need cucumber. But what I bought is a Japanese cucumber. Just slice it like this, then remove the cucumber seeds. If you don't remove the seeds of the cucumber, our salad will become too watery. And as you can see, I also didn't peel the cucumber because the skin has many health benefits. First off, did you know that cucumber skin is a nutritional powerhouse? Let's break down some of the incredible health benefits it brings to the table. One major benefit is dietary fiber. Cucumber skin is loaded with it. And we all know how important fiber is for a healthy digestive system. It keeps things moving and supports overall gut health. Next up, antioxidants. The skin contains powerful antioxidants like beta-carotene and flavonoids. These little warriors help combat free radicals in the body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and supporting your overall well-being. Cucumber skin is a rich source of vitamins, particularly vitamin K for blood clotting and vitamin A for healthy skin and vision. It's like a natural multivitamin, all in that unassuming green skin. Don't overlook the minerals. Magnesium and potassium found in cucumber skin play a vital role in maintaining a healthy heart and supporting proper muscle function. It's not just about hydration. It's about keeping your whole body in balance. Speaking of hydration, did you know that cucumber skin contributes to the overall water content of the cucumber? Staying hydrated is crucial for various bodily functions. And munching on cucumber skin is an excellent way to boost your water intake. Beyond the health benefits, eating cucumber skin also helps reduce food waste. It's a win-win situation. You get all the nutritional goodness, and you're being environmentally conscious by minimizing waste. So the next time you're preparing a salad or a snack, think twice before peeling the cucumber. Embrace the power of cucumber skin and enjoy the extra health benefits it brings to your plate. Next, we need tomato slices. Remove the seeds from the tomato, then slice it like this. Afterward, place it together with the sliced cucumber. Tomatoes aren't just a colorful addition to your salad. They're a nutritional powerhouse packed with goodness. Let's explore some of the health benefits they bring to the table. Tomatoes are a fantastic source of vitamins, particularly vitamin C, which supports a healthy immune system, and vitamin K, essential for bone health and blood clotting. These vitamins work together to keep you feeling your best. Loaded with antioxidants, tomatoes help combat free radicals in the body. The star player here is lycopene, a powerful antioxidant associated with various health benefits, including potential cancer-fighting properties. Now, let's dive into preparing our tomatoes. Remove the seeds, like so, to make your salad less watery. Then, slice them just like this, ensuring you get the perfect balance of flavors in every bite. We also need onion for our salad. Onions not only add a delightful flavor punch to your salad, but also come packed with health benefits. Let's dive into why they're a fantastic addition to our nutrient-packed dish. Onions are rich in antioxidants, particularly quercetin, which has been linked to immune-boosting properties. Including onions in your diet can help support your body's defenses and keep you feeling your best. Cut it like this. To achieve a perfect balance of flavor in every bite, adjust the size according to your preference. Onions also have anti-inflammatory properties, making them a valuable addition to an anti-inflammatory diet. They can help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. A great salad deserves an equally fantastic dressing, and today, we're keeping it simple, fresh, and packed with flavor. Here's what you'll need for our homemade dressing. First step: olive oil, a heart healthy oil that adds a rich and smooth texture to our dressing. Measure out 1 tablespoon and pour it into our mixing bowl. Next, we're adding a tangy kick with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Not only does it provide acidity, but it also brings a host of health benefits to the table. To balance the flavors, we'll add a pinch of salt for that savory touch and a dash of black pepper for a hint of warmth. Adjust the quantities to suit your taste preferences. Now let's whisk it all together. The fusion of olive oil, apple cider vinegar, salt, and pepper creates a harmonious dressing that will elevate our salad to new heights. Once our dressing is ready, drizzle it over our vibrant trio of cucumber, tomato, and onion. Every bite will be a symphony of flavors and nutrients. Whisk the ingredients together thoroughly to achieve a uniform blend. This ensures that every part of our salad gets a taste of the flavorful fusion we've created. With our dressing perfectly blended, drizzle it evenly over our vibrant trio of cucumber, tomato, and onion. This meticulous mixing guarantees that every bite is a celebration of balanced flavors. And there you have it, a salad dressing that's been mixed to perfection for a truly harmonious flavor experience. If you're excited to try this recipe, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your foodie friends, and comment below with your favorite mixing tips. Stay tuned for more culinary magic.